still on age problems. So we are told Jack is 4 years older than Kenneth. Alicia is 2 years younger than Kenneth. The sum of their ages is this. What is Kenneth's age? As usual, identify whom the question centers on. It makes the work easier for you. So to solve this question, we begin with solution. So what do? You see, let's go back. We are told Jack is 4 years older than Kenneth. Alicia is 2 years younger than the same Kenneth. So it means the question centers on Kenneth. So in that case, we say, let Kenneth's age be equal to X. So going back to the question, Jack, we can use any variable. He's not the major person, so anything can go. So Jack, so we're going to have J is equal, okay, 4 years older. Older, as I told you, is always plus. Older than Kenneth. So you take Kenneth first, which we said is X, then add 4 to it. Did you see it? That is for the first statement. Then the second one says Alicia is 2 years younger. So we can use A for her. She's not the key person, so any variable can go for her. Then is, we have seen equal. 2 years younger. Younger means to subtract. So younger than Kenneth. So Kenneth we have seen is X. So if it's 2 years younger than Kenneth, so you have to state Kenneth's age first. And Kenneth is X, then minus 2. You have stated everything. You are done. Then the next statement says the sum. Sum means to add. So add Jack's. So what is Jack's age? This is Jack. So we are going to now sum. It's going to give us Jack's age, which is X plus 4. Kenneth's age, which is X. Did you see it? You see how easy it is? Alicia's age, which we say is X minus 2, is 38. You have done your work. So solving this, what do? Just follow your usual linear equations. So we're going to have X add X add X will give us 3X. 4 take away 2 will give us 2 is equal to 38. To remove this, subtract. So if you do that, 3X is equal to, this will give us 36. To get X, divide by 3. Okay. So when you do that, this will divide. X is going to give us 12. So if X is 12, what did the question say? What is Kenneth's age? Let's go back. Kenneth's age is X. So if Kenneth is X, it means that our X is 12. So we are going to make a conclusion. We can just state it down here that Kenneth's age is equal to 12 years old. Did you see? And that is option C. I hope it helps you. Don't forget to like, share. I'll see you in our next class. Bye-bye.